We make the strings
louder.
This is the diagnostic. So this is the diagnostic tool I was talking about.
Okay.
So as you can see here, it's all the brands. Like see here, we have Aprilia, we have Adiva, we have Bajaj. From Bajaj to KTM's to all the international brands like Benelli, Bimota, Ducati. You can see it's like 44 brands of motorcycles and all what comes under them. We can do it. Now your bike being an MV Augustus, so we go to M. And we have MV Agusta here.
Yeah.
Click on that and you can see all the bikes what we can diagnose. From the Brutales to the Turismo Veloce to the F4RC and your bike especially F3RC, here it is. We have the F3 800RC. Help me out by turning on the ignition.
Yeah.
Okay. Time. So you can see all the errors right now present on the vehicle and you can see it's all stored in the memory and the list goes on. Okay? So we hit clear. Everything is clear. Yeah? So it's perfectly fine now. So here we can get details. I'll show you how it is, how we monitor your bike. Just start up the bike for me. So if you see, we can see like your RPM speed, the load on the engine, your accelerator voltage, your TPS, here, the throttle sensor position, everything. So basically all the parameters of your bike, it's in depth. From your air temperature, your coolant temperature right now, how much it is, exhaust valve position, everything complete. So and we get your basic issue info because your bike being F3RC, just switch it off. Your bike being the F3RC, this comes with a Magneti Marelli race issue. So if we have
The normal F3 doesn't have this, no?
no, see, it comes with a Magneti Marelli itself,
Okay.
but you have something called as Magneti Marelli race issue, which is from MV it is locked.
Okay.
So you have an option wherein you can unlock the issue. So your bike is race prepped already from the factory. So
It's unlocked?
No, right now your bike is ECU is locked, but there is an option wherein we can unlock it, and my map is sent directly through MV to you, and you just have to load it and it will be fine. And we can load that map from this diagnostic
can
tool.
do it.
That is a different procedure wherein you have to buy an exhaust system. That will be a full system, and air filter, aftermarket air filter from MV itself.
Okay.
And then they send you the map. That is one option to do it through MV. The second option is we can do it, but then again that is a different procedure. Maybe we can talk in depth. We can tell you later on. So how do you rate our overall experience with us, and how do you rate our work done on your
So
bike?
I'll rate 10 on 10. The work is crazy. You have done proper work, professional.
Thank you.
Crazy it is. And you are sourced the parts also. Thank you, Extar.
You're welcome, Abhilash. So I hope you come back to us in the future for some more
Sure.
work, and I hope you give out the word to your riding buddies and your group that please visit us and experience the overall Xtalk experience with us. And I think that's it. And I hope you finally enjoy riding your bike after a very long time.
Yeah, it's been a
So good luck. Have
you.
a safe ride.
Shut.
Put on this blooper session also.
English.
Go, over,